Beirut, a city has been destroyed 6 times. 6 times people rebuild it.
In a valley so steep, sunlight reaches the floor for only minutes each day. Monks have lived in cliff faces for 15 centuries. Not because they had to, because no army would follow them there. In the Beaker, a winemaker drove his harvest through civil war checkpoints every single year of the conflict, because stopping was not acceptable. This is not the Lebanon of headlines. That Lebanon exists. This one is older. The oldest continuously inhabited city on Earth is here. 5,000 years of civilization, 18 religions, every empire, the ancient, world-produced, Phoenician, Egyptian, Roman, Byzantine, Arab, Crusader, Ottoman, French, each one came, each one left something. None of them finished the job. Lebanon does not contain history. It is history still standing, still rebuilding, still being lived on every street corner of the country you can drive across in 3 hours. Every city has a story it tells about itself. Beirut's story is told in layers of rubble and rebuilding, so repetitive they stop being tragedy and start being character. The Romans built their greatest law school here. The first, Ottoman, French. Each one came, each one left something. Earthquakes leveled it in 551 AD. An Arab army rebuilt it. Crusaders took it. Ottomans held it for 4 centuries. The French drew a border around it and left. Then came the Civil War, 15 years from 1975 to 1990, that turned our most cosmopolitan city in the Arab world into a map of front lines. Then Reconstruction, then the 2006 war. Then, on the 4th of August 2020, 2,750. Tons of ammonium nitrate stored in a port warehouse detonated and removed a neighborhood from the map in seconds. Six times in its recorded history, Beirut has been destroyed. 6 times. Rebuilt, not by governments, not by foreign aid, by the people who stand in the center today, and the contradiction is physical. A Roman column rises from a trap island. Beside it, a glass tower. Beside that, a bullet-scarred facade with a new cafe on. The ground floor, tables full, someone laughing over coffee. The Muhammad Al-Amin Mosque lifts its blue domes against the sky, its Ottoman silhouette visible from the harbor, its entrance facing the Maronite Cathedral of St. George directly across the square. No wall between them, no barrier, just a square, and both buildings in it, and people crossing between them every minute of every day. Two domes and a cathedral, the same square, no explanation required. Beirut does not resolve its contradictions. It builds on top of them and opens a restaurant. The crater is still there 140 meters across the grainy silence that absorbed part of the blast still stand at its edge, partially collapsed, slowly crumbling. The subject of an argument about whether to demolish them or preserve them as a monument.